Hi, today we will do lemon remedy. Take a lemon like this, don't cut it, take the full lemon and just roll it from your head, like from your forehead. You can roll it this way, then go this way, this way, this way, and go to till your toes. So, from head till toe, you have to roll the lemon and try to roll it on your complete body. Like you can roll it on your front body, then on your backside body, and it doesn't matter. You have to rotate it clockwise, anti-clockwise. From one hand you had rotated from up to bottom, then from hand also you have to go from up to bottom. So don't bother, like you cannot do from putting your both hands together and roll it. So it is not like that. If once a lemon has gone down, you cannot pick it up and use it. If it falls there, then also you can pick it up and use. And in on your body also, like if you are rolling it from head to toe, then again from back side, particularly the body areas where your hand can reach, use it. Do this remedy on Saturday, uh, if it is possible for you. If it is not possible for you to do on Saturday, then you can do it on Sunday or Thursday also. Take care, and this is to clear the energies of the body. Basically, we are rotating it on our physical body, but as you know, like there are 5 types of layers which we call Panch Kosh: Annamay, Pranmay, Manomay, Gyanmay, like that. So we are clear by lemon, we are clearing these particular minor energies or the koshas which we cannot clear by any hand or with water or soap. So lemon is a particular one thing which can clear a very minute energies if it is blocked in your any type of aura. So this is to clear your aura, and this remedy you can do lifelong. And if you don't want to do lifelong, at least do it for 3 months. This will give you positive results. Take care.